Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED taillight installation guide for the E53 BMW X5. Before we get started, you'll need an 8mm socket and ratchet, and a panel popper. Check out how Spyder LED tails update the look of your X5. Start by opening the tailgate. Open the access panel in the trunk. You'll need to remove these three 8mm bolts securing the outer taillight. These are tricky to access, so a thin ratchet or ratcheting 8mm wrench is ideal. Stepping outside the X5, now we can unseat the taillight. Then disconnect the wiring harness. Locate your Spyder outer taillight. Connect the Spyder taillight harness to the main taillight harness. Now disconnect the red and green harness clip and remove the turn signal socket. Run the harness clip through the body openings to avoid pinching the harness. Reconnect the red and green Spyder harness clip. Then reinstall the turn signal socket. Seat the Spyder outer taillight, taking care not to pinch the harness between the taillight and body. Now we'll reinstall the three 8mm bolts to mount the outer taillight. Go ahead and close the access panel. Now for the inner tails. Remove the tailgate access panel using a panel popper or flathead to pry it up from the rear. Peel up the sound deadening slightly around the access flap and remove the hidden 8mm bolts securing the inner taillight. Remove the two 8mm bolts securing the inner taillight to the body. Be sure to support the taillight from below as you remove the bolts to avoid dropping it. Peel up the access flap and the sound deadening and disconnect the inner tail lamp harness. Now unseat and remove the inner tail light. We have to transfer a few things over before proceeding. Remove the reverse lamp bulb from the OEM tail light. Never touch exposed bulbs with bare hands. Reinstall the reverse lamp bulb into the black and white socket of the Spyder inner tail light. Now we can install our Spyder tail light. Seat the Spyder inner tail light. Be sure to support the tail light to avoid dropping it, and then reinstall the three 8mm bolts to mount the inner tail lamp. Peel back the access flap and the sound deadener and reconnect the inner tail lamp wiring harness. Then reinstall the tailgate cover panel. Now just close the tailgate and you're done. Congratulations, you've updated your E53 BMW X5 with a set of modern LED taillights from Spyder Auto.